Hey guys, we are installing our new cabinets in our kitchen. Got a bigger window, no blockage in the center, one slider, so it's gonna let in a lot more light. We just thought that this would match the vibe of the new kitchen, and this is kind of a funny thing. I think we're gonna take this window out.
Rip out the window and put in a new window?
I know, it's crazy.
Don't we have enough to do already?
We have so much to do. We don't need any more to do.
Is this a Funny Guy Farm video?
What are we calling this then?
I bought say that.
Oh, you're so funny.
We're installing the new cabinets in the kitchen. I took the trim off to get ready for the backsplashes to get templated. I thought this had a structural beam in here, or a 2x4, and it doesn't. We're contemplating taking this out. I know it's crazy because we have so much going on.
We have so much going on.
We have so much going on. We don't need any more projects, but I think we're gonna take this down from 2 windows to 1, get a slightly bigger window, and it'll brighten up this whole kitchen and it'll go with the whole vibe of modernizing the kitchen.
It seems silly to create such a beautiful new fresh kitchen with new cabinets and new tile flooring, and then to leave these 2 small windows in a space that has room for a considerably bigger window.
Well, especially when all the other windows that are in here are nice and big and new. I think we're gonna switch it. No big deal.
All right, get to work.
Okay.
Come here, you can stand here, okay?
When it's done with this whole kitchen and the beds and the couch and stuff, when it's done, Mom and Bob will never do a ball because
I don't know about that.
yeah.
Oh boy.
This will be hard. Wait, Mom.
Okay. I got me.
Huggy.
Lover, what the hell are you doing now?
God.
What?
I'm gonna rip this window out, I think.
Why are you doing such a crazy thing?
I know. We don't need any more projects, but look, I thought that there was a 2x4 in here, but there's nothing in here.
There's
so
nothing in there.
why don't we put one big window instead of these 2 little windows with this big?
There's even space on the sides here. You can put a big ass window in here.
Just more projects for us. We could put these in the chicken coop or whatever. These are
Our
real
cabin at
windows.
the top of the hill.
Yeah, they're not bad windows.
This piece doesn't go all the way to the wall or to the stud.
This is really old. These have the sashes in it.
Woo! Yeah, to shim it up or whatever. The angle is the original windows, and there's windows before these. So, no, because the new window is going to be like these windows, and it's going to be flat on the bottom, so it's going to sit flat on the stud. Or there's the little fin,
Yeah.
We'll just have to see.
I think I got it coming out.
That's going to come down on this over here. So I have to just get this other one out first because it's just pushing down on this here.
Crazy.
Here you go.
Okay, you want to film?
It's all filming.
Okay. Hold on. I got it. Let's just get this part out first. Yeah.
Come out here.
I got a little pile back there.
Oh. Seinfeld. Look at that.
There's old newspaper in here.
That's crazy. What year is it?
I don't know.
Whoa! 1983. Wow.
What's that gonna be?
Yeah.
Clothes may make the man, but at least one woman may need some convincing on that point. Fashion shows Tom Dickens. Reagan seeks expansion of bank.
Yeah, there's some Reagan. Wow. That's crazy. To get the 2x4 in case we need to like build in the framing a bit.
Yeah,
Or something.
it's 72.
Let's get the directions for the window.
It's 9:30 p.m. Kids are still awake. They should be in bed. And we're gonna install a window because we have a gaping hole.
Why is there a giant hole in the house, Katie?
Because we decided at 4 o'clock this afternoon to rip out the 2 small windows and replace it with one big one.
An epoxy yet?
Right.
Construction adhesive.
Yeah, if we can leave the flange on, that would be awesome.
This is actually the 3rd window we've installed in the house in this remodel project. The first window was in the laundry room. And I installed that with old boy grumpy contractor guy. That window was just lying on the property up here. This is the 3rd window we've installed.
Girls' window.
Laundry room,
Well,
the girls' bedroom.
You did the laundry room. I didn't do that one.
And the laundry room window was just lying up on the property here, so we didn't have any instructions or anything. We just figured out how to frame it in there and framed it in there. Girls' window we replaced.
That was like a funny existing.
This
wasn't there
seems
something
easier.
Funny, like why did we cut the flange off?
Because of how it mounted, and because it says it gives you 2 options for
Yeah.
mounting, depending on how you mount it.
The only way to see it.
72 by 36.
36 side, we're gonna have probably an extra 2x4 because it's like 39. Just gonna put it more flat on this. Yeah.
Okay.
2x4 to 2x4, we're at 72 and a half. So I think we'll be fine that way because isn't it 72 and a half? And then
36.
by 36. So here, I think if we add a 2x4, we might even need to add one on the top and the bottom.
I think we need 2.
Yeah,
36. So
we need 4
there's
inches.
a 2x4 and there's a 2x4.
So we'll still be short. We almost need a 4x4 to use the flange. But let's go measure the flange.
This is the slope. What do you call this? The sill
Sit.
that was already in the window.
I'm gonna get that. Yeah, well, just like a little extra blocking on one side. Like how much is left on that side?
A 2x4 is what?
But then we're gonna have it go all
This
the way
piece, is it go flush? What is that?
No, they're in the seam.
Hi, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Give me a hammer. Yeah.
Do that, put that one in, because that's good. Just put one. Or 71 3/4. Let's see if this is like what we need.
What? Shit.
Well, we measured like, okay, we needed more than. Okay, push it in. Can I go in anymore? There you go. Okay, I could get a screw in. I think it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's flush up in this bottom corner over here. How is it up?
I think what we should do is get one corner and then adjust the other. Yeah.
Pretty damn good fit. Wow.
Well, just from here I can.
Yeah.
Like right there. And then I'm going to screw through the piece. Okay, this side needs to go up a little bit. Let's do this bottom one first, because that's good, right?
Yeah.
How big of a gap do you have on your side? Because I have a bigger gap here, so let me put the bigger end on this side. Yeah, it's better. Can you lift up like this? Yeah. Okay, hang on. Alright, do a little bit more. 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 A little bit more. A little bit more. But it's a lot better. 3 more taps. Good one. 1 more. Nice. Okay, stop. Here you go. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a shim. maybe here. I think it's up too much.
Okay, well, it's in for now.
Yeah, in for now. We can futz with it tomorrow. Okay. Hello, it's the next day. We're just checking out our handiwork from last night. It's looking good, don't you think?
I think it looks amazing,
Yeah.
right? Look how it's huge. It's so feel like it's an incredible.
Well, it was like you had this huge column here before, and it stopped there. So you had like 8
Width to
inches
here.
less glass. So we've got a bit more work to do to finish it up. We need to cut the shims.
Spray foam the gaps.
Yeah, spray foam the gap, and then we'll add trim all the way around.
You need to make a little fake corner pieces for that
Right
sill.
there. Yeah, because we recycled this piece from the other window.
But that's how much shorter or smaller the windows were. They didn't go out on both sides.
Yeah, let's show you inside. Inside looks pretty good. Everything is working and it's nice and smooth, nothing's pinched.
We got it screwed in place on each side.
Yeah, each place has a screw, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with a shim behind it for extra support, and then trim all the way around.
All right.
So now we're gonna probably go to our next project.
Finish the cabinets.
Finish the cabinets.
It's a long way down before we make it to the bottom. We'll be swimming in